What's up, everybody? This is Abir Islam from Minis Studio T. Today, we will learn how to design t-shirts in Adobe Illustrator step by step. This is the first episode of learning t-shirt design for beginners. I will make a full series of this t-shirt design tutorial. If you are someone who knows how to use Adobe Illustrator but don't know how to design t-shirts, then this video will help you to get started. So without any further ado, let's start the work. I'm using A4 size for the artboard and 300 dpi with CMYK color mode. Let's press the create button. Now we are ready to start the designing. Let's go to the toolbox and select the ellipse shape. Press the left button of your mouse on the artboard. A pop-up box will appear. Then make 6 inches into 6 inches circle and center align it. I will make the design in white color. That's why I'm covering the artboard with a black shape so that I can easily see my design. Now select the line segment tool and draw a straight horizontal line and increase the stroke size. Now I will make a few copies of this line. To do that, you can drag the bottom line holding the Alt plus Shift key on your keyboard. Then leave the button in a distance, then press the Ctrl D. It will make the copy of the horizontal lines in exact same distance. Then select all the lines and align them. Select the top and bottom horizontal lines, then delete them. Select all the lines again and then go to the object and select expand to make the lines as fill. Now select all the lines and the white circle. Then from the Pathfinder panel, click on the divide to separate the white circles in 6 pieces. Select the ellipse tool to make another circle, then align it in the center. Then remove the fill color and make it as a white stroke. Now select the type on the path tool from the toolbox and then click on the bottom center part of the white circle that we have just created. Now go to paragraph and make it align center. This will make the writing start from the top center. Now write your content and add the font size and change the font color to white. Now copy and paste this text in an exact position. To do that, press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste it on exact position. Now select the direct selection tool from the toolbox and then move your mouse cursor to the center anchor point of the text. Then drag it down by holding the left button of your mouse until you see the writings comes in the bottom part of the circle. Now write your content and then adjust the font size and spacing. Match it with the top writings. I will select both the texts now and then I'll change the font. I'm using Avenir font for this video. You can use any font that you like. I'll increase the lettering space to cover up the empty space, which will make it look even as the top part. Now go to the toolbox and hold down the left button of your mouse until a drop-down menu appears. Then select the star tool, then hold the shift key and press on the left button of your mouse, then drag it to make a star shape. Now, by selecting the star, hold the Alt key, press the left button of your mouse, then drag it to the left side to copy the star in the other side. Now I will adjust the size to make it fit on the both sides of the writings. Now we will add the graphic inside the white circle to make our design. First, I'll add the bushes on the white circle. You can download this type of clip arts for free. Just search it in Google. Now I will paste it here in the white circle, then I will adjust the size to make it fit on the bottom part of the circle. Now select the bushes, clip art and the white part behind it. Then select the shape builder tool from the toolbox. Then by holding the Alt key, Press on the left button of your mouse to remove the extra part of the bushes. Now I will add a clip art of the mountains. First copy it and then paste it in here. Now I will resize it to place it on the center part of the design. I'm assuming that you know the basic tools of how to use the Adobe Illustrator. That's why I'm not mentioning how to send it back or bring it on the front. In case if you are totally new and don't know these things, then leave a comment. I will teach you how to do that. Now, I will change the color of the mountains. To do that, select the direct selection tool and select the area that you want to change the color by clicking on the left button of your mouse. Then double click on the fill box. A pop-up will appear. Then adjust the color that you want. For this reason, I will use the light gray color. Once you learn how to make black and white design, then the coloring part is easy to. Now I will lock everything except the mountains and the horizontal white lines behind it. Then select all and select the shape builder tool, then hold the alt key and press the left button of your mouse to remove the mountain to create the horizontal transparent lines. Now I will add another clip art of a bird. First copy it and then paste it here. Now resize it and then I will make another 2 copy of it to place on the other positions, and then I will rotate them a little. Now I will add the river in the bottom part of the white circle. Let's copy it and paste it here. Then I'll resize it to make it fit in that white part. Finally, our design is ready. Now we will make another copy of it and then we will recolor this for color print. To copy the design with the artboard, select the artboard tool from the toolbox and then press the left button of your mouse and drag the design on the right side holding the Alt and Shift key. Now we have our copy. We will color this design now. So here are the both version of the design. I hope this video will help you to become a better t-shirt designer. Please practice this process many times to improve your skill. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will reply you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.